Traders from around the world.
What's going on, guys?
Hello.
Hope you're doing amazing. This is Mike and Serena.
You!
We're about to bomb this hill over here.
Fernie Stoke. Surprise feats of meter.
You guys are amazing. Keep having fun out there.
World's your oyster, baby. You know it.
Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Jerremy Newsome, and we are here with SPY, still bullish. Although it is only Wednesday, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 white candles in a row on a weekly chart on SPY, and today's candle thus far is a super cute small little doji. We will see how it interacts. I mean, we did get above the 200 simple. There's probably a lot of people are going to go bullish right here on SPY, which I'm not saying is necessarily a bad thing, but I just really would prefer to buy the dip. That's what we talked about last week when the other doji came in on the 6th of February, and we did dip nicely right into the 10 and bounce really cutely. So that's kind of what's happening on the SPY. Here's the Qs, and the Qs also just nailing their face against the 200 simple moving average on a daily chart. So a lot of people are going to be asking, is this the spot to buy? And, you know, obviously as low as possible previously it would have been a really good spot to buy. But in regards to a daily chart on the Qs, I mean, we'll really just have to wait and see. With this new high, meaning I think, you know, relative to this candle over here, new high, I'm kind of expecting tomorrow to trade down a little bit. Again, I would love for the Qs to come back down and bounce off of this support and just kind of create a little bit of a channel. I don't know if that's going to happen. I am bullish. I mean, as far as just buying the dip is concerned, looks nice. So if we just trade sideways and then break out and have another bullish day tomorrow, sure, why not? And that's exactly what we got just yesterday with this really nice bullish gap and go on the Qs. So that is and was pretty nice. Let me minimize this over here. So that's the Qs. Had a trader also request Eli Lilly, ticker symbol LLY. Here's the weekly chart, and Eli Lilly has been on an absolute rampage. Broke out of a very nice distribution phase back here in July and really hasn't stopped since. Over here on a daily chart, dividends is around the corner, I believe, and you know, right now you're just a little bit of a consolidation. So yeah, if you're looking at playing Eli Lilly, the trend is bullish. My thought, got some nice resistance right about this 120 mark. And if I were personally looking at playing Eli Lilly, I would love to get in off the 100. Again, I just feel like the market right now is a touch extended. If you are playing something bullish, just look to buy it as low as possible. Although if this does break out, you could get it for a little bit of a small gain on a breakout. Otherwise, just do your best, look to buy the dip on Eli Lilly, potentially off of the 50 EMA. And again, if it doesn't break out of there and just breaks out of this pennant pattern, then that's totally fine. Square, made a small gain on Square. Not this trade right here that you're seeing. This was a swing trade, but it was a day trade that I played off of the gap. I lost an R on Monday on Square and needed to get that R back today. So what I did is just simply played this high wave candle right here. So once we broke out, right? Once we broke out of this candle, I did a limit buy at 76.35 with a low at 75.75. That was pretty much the entry. And that was all based on a nice, cute, small gap on the chart. You had a bearish, very nice bearish Marbozu candle right before market open. So anyone who shorted in there was trapped. Big bullish candle, and again, broke out, S-curved lower, and then bounced. For all of those who signed up to join the real life trading group back over when we did the free week, this was my post on Square at 7:30 a.m. So again, right at market open, this was it. 76.35 by 75.75. Bingo, bongo. And since I lost one R on Square on Monday, my whole goal 7 minutes later was just to get that R back. So I did 77.08, which was a 1.22 R gain on Square. Small gain, but nice. It did work. Locked it in, and ever since, almost sold the exact high of the day. High of the day was 77.25, so pretty lucky on that exit, but feels good to go up on the day on Square. Here's ticker symbol SKY, and SKY, this is one that we got triggered in today on an official swing trade at 1950. So I like that little gap, seeing if Sky is going to continue higher. MC, probably going to end up canceling it today if it doesn't come down to 46.52. We got pretty close to that price today, but we'll actually end up seeing if that does in fact bounce. El Pollo Loco trading down to the 100 simple moving average. A lot of people have been looking at buying El Pollo Loco off the 100. My buddy Brad has a $14 put sale in March. So El Pollo Loco, a lot of people keeping their eyes on the crazy chicken with this ginormous breakout of this channel pattern on ticker symbol LOCO. So much goodness out there. We also had a swing trade set up on GILD. So seeing if that's going to slowly continue higher. Hope it does. And what else is out there? So many, just a lot of goodness. Dish, great gap down on Dish today. Such a nice bearish gap and go. Really just consolidated for about 30-45 minutes and then just broke down. I mean, took out this candle, took out this candle. Really good move on Dish. Trip, TRIP, this is TripAdvisor. My buddy Johnny Guarco played this one really, really well. If I turn off the extended hours, right, it traded, gap down, traded up, paused, high wave candle, boom, boom, and he exited for an R and some change on Trip. So Johnny Guarks, very well done. Keep it up. I love it. Man, folks, just so excited. So much going on. I love it. Thank you so much for tuning in to your Wednesday real life stock review. I will be back on Friday. And until then, love life, live life, and trade. Bye.